We're here at the flying field, and Jeepa Mike's gonna fly his Mr. Smith, Lieutenant Mason. We named it after our grandson Mason. And this is our biplane. It's a World War I biplane.
You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's hope we get this done.
Take off.
Woo! Windy.
This plane's a little harder to fly than his Molly likes to fly. Going good. I wish we had a man that could be on the wing and jump off. That would be fun. Like jump off with a parachute.
We named most of our planes after our grandkids.
But Nathan's going to like to see this today because you haven't flown his plane for a while.
Yeah.
Go, Lieutenant Nathan. Flying good. Like I said, I just wish we had a little guy that could parachute off the wing. I'm going to have to look into that. That would be so fun, Mike.
Yeah, it'd be fun to get a little
To have a little guy that would like parachute off the wing of this thing.
wing walker out there on it.
Yeah. Here we come back again. Can you do any tricks?
Kind of windy. Yeah, it's kicking pretty good. It's bouncing.
It is windy. There's a look at the, woo, that flag is just going fast.
Won't stop when it turns into the wind.
Flying good.
Alright, I'm gonna bring her in and land it.
All right. Jeepa Mike's going to bring Lieutenant Mason down. He's going to bring it down in one piece though. Ooh. You're doing some tricks after all.
No, I didn't mean to.
Oh. All right. Mason landed. It's always a good landing when you can walk away.
Yeah, that's right.
All right. Mason landed. It's always a good landing when you can walk away.
Yeah, that's right.